classification of the philosophy in existentialism. Existentialism means to exit. What is a develop? What is a plan? Only focus on your goal, not other things. The chief proponent is the Sorsen, Kierkegaard, Francis Nicolais, and the Maxim Green. So concept is the philosophy believe that education must develop the consciousness about the freedom. What is the choice among the learners? Because of the man become what his choice for himself. Education must be equipped with the individual better choice. Means depend on choice, depend on your focus. What is your goal and to do, right? So what is the organization? So organization aims to utilize your knowledge and the group activity and the first to the your idea and the like a leadership and all things to do. The ultimate aim of the education to develop the child knowledge about the human condition and the choice means to have some notes or some activity to like the most like watching TV and the, like a sport activity that time to do not other things to like a choice is a basic example for the student choice like a medical field and someone else like engineer so depend on your choice what you like the most and you choice the better is a better future. There is a organization of the education must be a formal with a sufficient opportunity of the success. Means you like the most like a medical field that time to give a best success for that. Because of what? Because your choice, right? Is a best example for a marriage also. Like you like a good boy and also like a love marriage type, right? This is your choice and your life. So your decision also to like a good and after then other choice like a mom dad marriage to other guys you don't like that and to have some problems and all. So is the other choice is not accept in your life, right? Is there not a good opportunity in your like a happiness and all. The next is the curriculum. So what is the most important? To just choice is a free opportunity for the children. Means making a choice. This one, yeah, this one, yeah. This type of the choice you take own decision and all to many things to like a learning situation. So particularly subject also to choice. Which one is the better for you? Like a CHN and the MSN, which one is the best knowledge for base knowledge for that and the good faculties also to provide in the particularly in the mastery. So second one is the method of the education. Externalism promotes for the methods of the education emphasis of the self activity of the learners. So in this mastery content is more activity to do the self activity and the self expensive activity like a PPT, making PPTs, videos, research, all to do in your like a self to do, right? So in the research, like to collect all the data and to hospital to meet like a MD and all nursing staff and doctor to give a good suggestion for that. And the role of the teacher was to provide a freedom. So in the research guided to give a best choice for that and the discipline. And the externalism believed to the self-discipline. Okay. What is a not strictly discipline? Mean in the open to give a freedom sometimes. Reconstructionism is the chief promoter is the Theodore Brahmed, George Count, and the Paulo Freire. So, what is the concept? The philosophy of education believe of the recognizing and restructuring. Means have any problem that tend to the recover the data and the reconstruction. Means the sometimes to remove the some words and to adapt a new one. So, is improve the lots in the later and all and making notes also is the better giving to process of the education to being according social culture any activity like education related your social your like community and all. So where is the emphasis based on the culture parallelism equality futuralism and the nature of the interest means depend on your work depend on your interest what is the oriented to the education. Organization and the aim of the education. This is a philosophy recommended for a formal as well as the informal base of the organization. Means what is a philosophy depend on your work, what you thinking and to process in the education. And after that, sometimes to have a refer to the notes and all. And sometimes like a all the mistake in the sentence formation and the notes making that time to give a best example and to add up the new add up the new content, so it's a base for the future. What is a curriculum activity in this? So in interest depend on the socio-economical political interest to add up also to good example social economics and the polite discipline over the sociology economics and science technologies is using a using laptop and the PPTs, right? There are more latest technology to help to give a best education provide to the students. Methods of the education. This philosophy of education believe that teaching method must to organize manner students become a self-reliant. Education must be activity oriented to the development necessary. As I already told that there are so many activity in the latest technology to use to how to improve a knowledge to the students, right? Role of the teacher. The role of the teachers to take a social responsibility and among the students must become an agent improve to the society to give a best education for the students and all that responsibility like assignment, notes, and give a PPTs and all to the subjects. And the most and question to also give because he's a read and after then writing the notes and the is very useful for the best for examination. Last one is a discipline. The philosophy education, the progress about optimism level of the discipline, not regret. Is sometimes to give a freedom for that making notes and all, and give a weekly like a test and all arrangement for that. Prognatism is a chief company is the harassment, Ernest Bernard and the Johnny Daly. The concept in prognatism believe in the learning must through the problem solving and the scientific inquiry cooperative self-discipline way, right? Means depend on your work in research that time to give a scientific reason and also to what is working for like a teachers, MD, doctors, and the refer for what in your research for mastery content is all in the include in the prognatism. The organizes aim of the education. Prognatism is recommended for a democratic school procedure. We all to do like a procedure, like a um, first thing like first thing to do demo and after that the demo for a procedure and also to get a clinical practice also. Curriculum activities like a in the same way like interest problems and the and if like a stuck in the problem that have to give a best solution given. Methods of the education child given to the more cooperative work and group activity to do. So is the best experience for that. And role of the teacher. Teacher must be a guide for a problem solving leader for a group activity and partner in the planning and the learning activities. So those are students who are like a problem that tend to give a group activity leadership and well planning to the partner. Okay. Learning so many things in the learning activities. So discipline. Has to recommended any sort of the specific formal discipline. Thank you.